Hey. Guess I ain't gonna get out of here, can we?
Nah. I thought if anybody get out, it'd be you. But just keep your wheel turned like that.
Yeah.
And just try to back up, and we'll try to guide you back at least back onto the road.
All right, appreciate it.
Just come as easy as you can go, and see if we can get it around that way some.
I'm wondering if it's gonna slide towards you. I think.
Yeah, hold on. I know. I want to get him away from that bank.
I know. I'm wondering if I can go forwards a little bit somehow.
Yeah. See if you can. See if we can get it to go forward a little bit. Enough where we can get him up.
I'm gonna spin dirt all. Whoa! Whoa! Watch out! I wonder if I turn traction control back on.
Now you can. We can push on that side of the front end while you're spinning, and try to spin the front end this way.
All right.
And try to get it.
Go backwards.
Back into the road.
What? It's okay. It'll be a lot more than a scratch if I go over that bank.
The what?
I said it'll be a lot more than a scratch if I go over that bank.
I know. I don't want to scratch your paint by pushing them.
It's okay.
You go on your hands, bro. Yeah, you go over that bank, you better hold on.
Yeah,
you
no.
roll.
Just let's just try to keep inching it forwards a little bit, enough to get her away from the bank where we can get you back in the road.
All right. Well, should I turn towards that way or is it?
So just try to keep it straight.
Oh, you want me to go forwards?
Yeah,
go
forwards. I
All
want
right.
you to try to go as far as you can forward.
I wonder what gear I should put it in.
Just drive.
Drive.
Yeah, that way.
All right. All right, here I go.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Loosen up a little. Go ahead. All right. Hold on a minute. Now turn it as sharp as you can this way.
That way?
Now turn your wheel to the right as far as you can.
Okay.
That way.
All right.
No, don't move yet. Turn your wheel.
Okay.
All right. Now turn it harder now. And now come on back.
This way.
Easy.
And back up or go forwards?
Back up, please.
Oh, okay.
I know. I just want to get him back on the road.
All right, come on back. Come on back again. You got a track back there. Come on back a little bit more. Right now, go
Got it.
forward.
All right. We'll get you out of here.
All right.
Touch your wheel the other way. There you go. All right.
Whoa.
All right, go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Now, turn your wheel that way again. And just let it kind of roll back.
All right.
Just go back in.
Yeah,
Get back
there
in.
you go. There you go. Just keep on coming. You're not going over the hill. We're not going to let you. Go ahead. Come on.
Keep going.
Come on. Yeah, there
Let
you
me just
go.
let you go.
Whoa.
You ain't going over the hill. We'll tell you way before you go over the hill.
All right.
All right. Now straighten your wheel out a little bit.
There you
There you
now
go.
keep coming
Right
backwards.
there.
Keep coming backwards. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Over on this side as close as you can.
Now, I want to get him completely back in the middle of the road. Go ahead.
All right.
I want to get him away from this hill. All right.
Now turn your wheel the other way.
Now,
This way.
a little bit. There you go. Now go on back.
Now you're in the road.
Go on back. Just get on back on the road and get it as straight as you can. All right. Turn it the other way a little bit. There you go.
Whoa.
Up. Crossing up. There you go. Just. I know. I got out.
Tearing up your car for she gonna slide over the bank.
I know.
You ain't going. Just try to keep going back if you can. Need to get back on
Whoa.
Just pull it straight back up and then get it straight.
What is this burning smell?
Keep going up.
the road.
Keep going up.
All right.
All right, now I can back all the way up.
Yeah, just back up. Just
Yeah, I don't think you're gonna get out of here.
Yeah.
All right, straighten your wheel up. Straighten your wheel up.
Now just follow, look in your mirror, follow your steps all the way back.
Just don't hit the brake. Just let it keep rolling.
Hit the gas.
Here you go. Turn it this way a little bit.
That's like,
Back this way a little bit.
I'm not a-
No, this way.
oh, this one.
Yeah. Come on. A little bit more.
That's like I'm not good at backing up.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
I can't even back
Right in
into
the
a
middle of
parking.
the road.
Okay.
Got out of the direction. Out of the direction. You're going toward this way.
So this one?
No.
Oh, that other one?
Yeah. There you go. There you go. Turn it more this way. Get getting out of the road.
Oh,
Go over that way.
this way?
Yeah. We want to get you back.
Oh,
on the
okay.
road.
I see.
There you go. There you go. Now you're in dead center of the road. Dead center.
Whoa.
It's
Go a little bit
slick, man.
forward. A little bit.
Nice car.
Thank you. I thought for sure I was gonna be able to get up that hill.
I thought you'd get out of here too once you took off.
Yeah.
Turn it the other way. This way. There you go. There you go.
I'll go again.
On the side of the road now.
Yeah.
All right. Now just kind of let it roll. Don't even give it no gas. Just let it idle. And just keep it straight in the road. Straight in. Come over this way. There you go. There you go. You got it. Keep it over this way. You're going too far over that direction.
Nobody here on the pickup truck, did it? Said that lady usually brings it.
My all-wheel drive car is gone. All right, you see where you at now, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, keep it over the other way. Get back over. You going toward that car. There you go. There you go.
Huh? Some little old lady. Oh, yeah. I tried mine.
I look like I'm going to work today. Ah.